Last week, your tank was crystal clear. Today, it's a cloudy, smelly mess. The water's milky, your fish are hiding, and green fuzz is taking over the glass. We've all felt that panic. Did I just kill everything? Before you reach for drastic measures, pause. Most tank disasters are fixable with simple steps. The secret isn't panic or chemicals, it's understanding what went wrong. Stick around for the 7 most common tank emergencies and the fast, smart fixes that actually work. Grab a bucket, let's turn that swamp back into a showpiece. First up, let's tackle one of the most common and frustrating problems for aquarium owners: cloudy, milky water. If you've ever looked at your tank and wondered why it suddenly looks like someone poured milk into it, you're not alone. What you're seeing is a bacterial bloom. It's completely harmless to your fish, but it can make your beautiful aquarium look messy and uninviting. The first step is simple. Stop feeding your fish for a few days. Don't worry, healthy fish can easily go a few days without food, and this will help slow down the bacteria. Feeding less means there's less leftover food to break down, which means less fuel for the bacteria causing the cloudiness. Next, do a 25% water change using dechlorinated water. This helps remove some of the excess bacteria and any waste that's built up in the tank. Add filter floss or polyester stuffing to your filter. This material acts like a net, trapping the tiny particles and bacteria that are making your water look cloudy. Leave the filter floss in place for 24 to 48 hours, then remove and discard it. You'll be amazed at how much gunk it collects. There's no need for chemicals or quick fix solutions. Just patience, and these 3 simple steps will do the trick. In most cases, your water will clear up in a day or 2, and your tank will look crystal clear again. Remember, overfeeding your fish and setting up a brand new tank are the most common reasons for cloudy water. Both can cause bacteria to multiply quickly. Keep your routine simple, avoid overfeeding, and your aquarium will bounce back to its healthy, clear state in no time. Don't panic or overreact. Just let your filter's beneficial bacteria do their job. With a little patience, you'll see your tank return to its sparkling best. Crisis averted. Next, the dreaded green algae takeover. Too much light and too many nutrients are to blame. Cut your tank lights to 6 hours a day. Use a timer for consistency. For stubborn blooms, black out the tank for 2-3 days. Scrub algae off glass and decorations, then siphon out the debris during a water change. Feed less and keep up with weekly water changes to reduce nutrients. Don't just clean, remove the cause. A timer and regular maintenance keep algae from coming back. Control light and nutrients and you control algae. No more green monster, problem solved. Ammonia spikes are one of the most dangerous emergencies an aquarist can face, especially in new tanks where the beneficial bacteria haven't fully established yet. Even a small amount of ammonia can be deadly to your fish, so it's crucial to act quickly and decisively. Watch for warning signs: fish gasping at the surface, red or inflamed gills, and lethargy or unusual behavior. These symptoms mean your fish are in distress and need immediate help. Test your water right away using a reliable liquid test kit. Strips aren't as accurate, so always keep a liquid kit on hand for emergencies like this. Any ammonia reading above 0 is an emergency situation. Don't wait. Your fish's lives depend on your quick response. Immediately dose the tank with an ammonia detoxifying conditioner like Seachem Prime or a similar product. This helps neutralize the ammonia and gives your fish a fighting chance. Perform a 30 to 50% water change using dechlorinated temperature-matched water. This will dilute the ammonia and make the environment safer for your fish. Stop feeding your fish for a day or 2. Less food means less waste, which helps prevent ammonia from building up even further during this crisis. Test your water daily and repeat water changes as needed until ammonia levels drop to 0. Consistency is key to keeping your fish safe. Don't add any more fish or chemicals unless you're absolutely sure of what you're doing. Adding more can make things worse. Remember, you're manually cycling the tank until the beneficial bacteria population grows enough to handle the ammonia naturally. Patience and vigilance are your best tools. Monitor your tank closely and don't rush the process. Regular water changes using conditioner and daily testing will get you through this stressful time. Stay calm and keep up the good work. You're doing everything right. With your care and attention, your fish will recover and thrive. They'll thank you for your dedication and patience. Is your filter barely trickling and your fish looking a bit stressed? Don't panic. This is a common issue for aquarium owners, and it's usually an easy fix. The first step is to unplug the filter to keep things safe for you and your fish. Carefully remove the filter from the tank, open up the impeller housing, and gently pull out the impeller. This small part is often the culprit behind weak flow. Clean the impeller and its housing thoroughly using tank water and a soft toothbrush. Never use tap water, as chlorine can harm your beneficial bacteria. Scrub away any gunk, algae, or debris so the impeller spins freely and efficiently, restoring your filter's power. Next, check your filter media. If your carbon cartridge is old or clogged, replace it, but never swap out all your filter media at once, or you'll lose helpful bacteria. Swish sponges or ceramic rings in old tank water to remove debris while preserving the good bacteria that keep your tank healthy. Reassemble the filter, plug it back in, and watch as the water flow returns to normal. Your fish will thank you. Just 5 minutes of simple maintenance can save your tank from trouble and save you money on costly repairs or replacements. Make regular filter cleaning part of your routine to keep your aquarium running smoothly and your fish happy. Don't wait for a total breakdown. This easy fix makes a big impact on your tank's health and clarity. Heater stuck on or off? Act fast, but don't shock your fish. Unplug the heater if overheating. Let the tank cool naturally. Increase surface agitation and use a fan to help cool gently. Never add ice or cold water suddenly. Replace faulty heaters with a quality, adjustable model. Always use a separate thermometer to monitor temperature. Place it away from the heater for an accurate reading. A reliable heater and thermometer combo is your best insurance. Protect your fish from temperature swings. Water level dropping. Only pure water evaporates, minerals and salts stay behind. For fresh water, top off with dechlorinated or RO/DI water. For salt water, always top off with fresh RO/DI water, never salt water. Mark your tank's fill line for easy tracking. Add only what's lost to evaporation to keep chemistry stable. Overfilling or using the wrong water can stress or kill your fish. Simple habits prevent big problems. Stability is everything. Rotten egg smell during cleaning? That's toxic gas from dead spots in your substrate. Don't stir up the whole bed at once. Each week, gently poke one section with a chopstick, then vacuum out released gas and debris. Deep clean a little at a time to avoid shocking your tank. Add sand sifting snails to keep substrate aerated. Make deep vacuuming part of your routine. Healthy substrate means a healthy tank. Prevent problems before they start. You've got the tools to fix any tank emergency. Most problems are solved with water changes, less food, and routine care. Consistency is your best defense. Test weekly, feed sparingly, and change water regularly. Catch issues early and you'll never face a disaster. Drop your aquarium questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Subscribe for more tips, including a DIY sponge filter build next time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.